Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your K9 wireless mic to your iPhone. This KY wireless mic is very good. It's a good mic for vloggers, interviewers, and a very short video. This KY wireless mic comes with Type-C mount and for iPhone. It can be used for iPhone and your Android phone. So guys, if at the end of this video you find yourself helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. In this video, I will only be showing you how to connect it with your iPhone. You can see, if you check at the back of this mic, you can see it here is 20 meters of accessible reception. 20 meters of accessible reception, meaning that if you are 20 meters away from your video, you can still be audible enough for your interviewer or for your video. Okay guys, you see it comes with two pairs of mic. We have two pairs of mic. This is not one. This is one mic. This is the other mic. It comes with two pairs. You can also call this one transmitter. You can see this mic has a clip. This clip is meant for you to clip it on your dresses, and you can use one for yourself and the other one for your interviewee. So this mic, it also have a switch. Switch means where you turn it on and turn it off. If you want to on this mic, you just have to press this switch for like 3 to 4 seconds. When you press it, you can see it at the back. You see the light blinking with green and red. Then you come to the other one, also press it for like 3 to 4 seconds or 2 to 3 seconds. You can see it has been on. So guys, that is how to on it. Then if you want to off it again, you do the same thing. Just press it for like 2 3 4 seconds, then you have it off. Also, this mic comes with the receiver. You call this one receiver, and this one is meant for the Type-C mount. Then the iPhone mount, this is it. So this is the iPhone mount, this is the Type-C mount. So guys, this mic also comes with this charger. It comes with the charger. It comes with Type-C charger. You can use any available Type-C charger. You can charge the transmitter, so also you can also charge the receiver. So when you plug it in, you see the sign here with red. So you can use your power bank or you plug it direct to the light. So guys, this mic also comes with the manual. The manual is meant for you to just check through it and know how to use the microphone. Or that is just what the manual meant for. This mic is very good enough because whenever you are on the mic, it reduces any strange noise. When you are on a video, it suppresses all the noises. That is, it cancels all the noises around when you are making your video. Okay guys, now for us to connect this transmitter or mic to our iPhone, we need to connect these two together, because this is the iPhone mount and this is the receiver, which contains the Type-C mount. So you'll be able to connect the two together. You have to be careful when connecting it together. Now after that, you have to connect this with your phone. Don't forget, when you connect it with your phone, you see this tiny hole here. It must bring out red light and it will be blinking when you connect it. Can you see? Now that we've connected it, you see this side. This is what I'm talking about. You can see the light. The red light is still blinking. That means the mic or transmitter has not been connected to the device. So guys, if you want to connect it now, you have to switch it on by pressing the switch for like 2 to 3 seconds. When you press it for like 2 to 3 seconds, automatically it will change to green color and it will stop blinking with double color, which is red and green. The other time, before we connect it to the phone, when we switch it on, it brings out red and green. But now that we've connected it to our device, it will stop blinking and it will be on a stable light, which is green color.